Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this cartoon effect using this application, photo editing application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to create this effect, first of all, you download this Photo Lab Picture Editor and Art from the Play Store. Now just open the app application. You just need to click on this category option, so on the side, and now you just click on the search option here and just type as even better. So if you type here, you can see the first filter I was talking about, even better than the real. So just click this. Now select the photos that you just need to make it as like this. So I just going to select this particular photo and click on the next option. It will be processed. After processing, you can see, you can just select it. You can see the changes, how it's look like. It will be create a portrait photo to the close of the face, and which is as on the filter, and click on this three dot option on the top, and you can see an option called save to device. Just click this, which it will now you can just download it, or directly you can just share on the Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever that you want. And this is how you just create this cartoonized filter effect using this application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.